大家好 ，It's Ms Kaka， 我是佳佳老师。We will continue our exploration of 形容词 adjectives. We have two adverbs to express negation, 不 and 没有。When negating adjectives, we use 不。In affirmative negative questions, you basically combine the affirmative and negative forms of adjectives, as shown in the following examples. Some adjectives can be duplicated for emphasis. For the syllabic adjectives, the duplicated form follows an AABB pattern, such as 整齐、整整齐齐、安静、安安静静。When these duplicated adjectives function as predicates in sentences, the particle the must be used afterward, as illustrated in the following examples. That's all for this episode. If you have any questions on how to use adjectives, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Please stay tuned for the upcoming episode where we will further explore the use of adjectives.